po yung ating barangay road. Ito po yung ating right of way. 10 meters wide. Road lot 1. Ito po yung ating gate and guard house. Sa ngayon po wala pa siyang gate pero maglalagay po tayo dyan ng gate. 13 meters wide po ito. 1 entrance, 1 exit lang po. Ito po yung roundabout. Dito po sa road lot 2. Yan. Ito po yung road lot 4. 10 meters wide. Ito po yung block 12. Kahilera po siya ng ating gate and guard house. Ito naman po yung block 1. Ito po yung road lot 14, 8 meters wide. Ito po yung block 3. Yan po yung house and lot package natin. Block 3 and block 4. Road lot 3, 12 meters wide. Block 9. Yan. Diyan po ilalagay yung ating parks and playground, multipurpose hall and basketball court. Ito po yung block 3. Ito po yung magiging road lot 5. 8 meters wide po yan. Tapos ito po yung magiging block 4. Ito po kinakatayuan natin yung road lot 3. 12 meters wide po ito. Ito naman po yung road lot 7. 8 meters wide po yan. Ongoing pa po ang installation ng drainage natin. Block 8. Road clearing and road tracing pa po. Part ng block 5. Diyan po yan. Tapos kasunod niya po doon yung block 6 and block 7. Yan, nakatawid na po tayo. Ito po yung block 8. Yan. Tapos ito yung road lot 7 na 8 meters wide. Road lot 11 na 8 meters wide. Ito po yung block 9. Ito naman po yung block 10. Let's go. Dito po tayo sa may block 11. Block 11. Yan po yung block 11. Yung road lot 12, 8 meters wide po yan. Kakatapos lang po mag-install ng drainage. Bali, kakalsadahan na po ito. Ito po yung block 10. Yan. Meron po ng block 11. Available pa po ito. Facing north po yan. Tapos sa block 10 po, available pa naman po yung 4 lots. Tigwa 150 square meter. Facing south po siya. Ayan. Ito po yung road lot 4. 10 meters wide po yan. Ayan. Kahilera ng ating gate and guard house. Again po, yan po yung block 11. Ito po yung block 10. Tapos yung kabila po, yan po yung block 9. Kung saan ilalagay ang ating parks and playground. So, maliit lang naman po itong community. Ang kagandahan po dito, by next year po, meron na siyang individual titles.